আমেরিকাতেও নেট ইস্যু হয়। We are talking about the net issue with you in the United States, and we are very surprised.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Mar, for joining
Yeah.
with
Thank
us.
you. You're welcome.
Thank you from Freelancing School, Vedi.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye.
First of all, what is the cost? Because I don't have a big budget.
Okay, no problem. আরিফ কোনো কোর্স কি বলছেন ওনাকে?
না প্রাইস বলিনি।
Okay, my boy saying he knows discuss with you about cost. So right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, entry package, that's called weekly package. And in this package we have to optimize your 10 videos, complete SEO, optimization, and including organic promotion in a week, your 10 videos. And our weekly package cost is only 120 US dollar. And also we have another and a monthly package, and in this package we have to completely SEO optimize and including organic promotion your 30 videos, complete SEO optimization including organic promotion your 30 videos, and including your channel optimization like channel keyword, channel description, and also many things. And we will provide you the report, the before after. And our monthly package cost is only 300 US dollar. Hello,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Yeah, we are doing very well, and thank you so much for joining with us. Can I start my presentation?
Sure.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining with us. And my name is Rifat. And as you know, today's meeting topic is about YouTube. Myself, Rifat, And Arif, he's reach out to you and he will work with you. I am his team member and agency owner also. We have big digital marketing agency and we are providing digital marketing all type of services. So this purpose, today's meeting topic is about YouTube. You have a great YouTube channel and you want to get more views, get more traffic in your channel. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so for YouTube, we have three type of services available. I think my boy already discussed with you. We have three type of services available. First one is SEO, that means search engine optimization. And in this session, we have to optimize your title, your video's description, and also text section. And we have to research for you valuable text, searchable text, and searchable keyword. Which keyword your audience search on YouTube and also other search engine. And if we find this type of keyword, then we have to include this type of keyword your video's backend section like title, description, and also text section. And when we successfully input this type of keyword your video's backend section, then when your audience search on YouTube, your videos will shows YouTube and Google and also other search engine top search result. And in this way you can get your targeted result. And also we have another method that's called organic promotion. And in this way we have to just simply copy your videos link and we have to share by using social media site like Facebook, LinkedIn, Quora, Tumblr, Reddit. We have lots of social media site. And also we have another and last method.
Oh, you're just freezing right now.
Still you are freezing. আমেরিকাতেও নেট ইস্যু হয়। We are talking about the net issue with you in the United States, and we are very surprised.
Yeah.
So jokes apart, we have last method that's called Google Ads. That's mean paid campaign. And in this session, if you have money, then you can you can choose Google Ads. But right now, and for first, we will recommend you can choose the first two method like SEO and organic promotion. And right now, can I share my screen to show you our agency, our previous work, and their result?
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. I think you can see it's our website. That's domain name is Freelancing School BD. And in here, if you click on our portfolio section, then you can see we already done lots of work like YouTube. You can see YouTube work, YouTube SEO before and after. You can see a lot of work we have done. And if you click on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, Google Ads, social media management, we are a big team. we have big team. So if you click on our team section, then you can see our full team. Okay. And if you click on our client meeting section, then you can see our lots of client meeting. There is a issue with our website. So that's why I think our website is not visible right now, but as soon as possible, we will fix this issue, then you can check it out. And after finish the meeting, my boy will give you and all of the link and information, then you can check it out by your own. So right now, if you have any question, if you want to know any more other information, then you can feel free to ask me. I will try to answer you.
I really don't know what to ask. Like, first of all, what is the cost? Because I don't have a big budget.
Okay, no problem. I have to discuss our cost, our packages. আরিফ কোনো কোর্স কি বলছেন ওনাকে?
না কোনো প্রাইস বলিনি।
Okay, my boy saying he knows discuss with you about cost. So right now we have two type of packages available. First one is basic package, entry package, that's called weekly package. And in this package we have to optimize your 10 videos, complete SEO optimization, and including organic promotion in a week, your 10 videos. And our weekly package cost is only $120. And also we have another and a monthly package. Their name is monthly package. And in this package, we have to completely SEO optimize and including organic promotion, your 30 videos, complete SEO optimization, including organic promotion, your 30 videos, and including your channel optimization, like channel keyword, channel description, and also many things. And we will provide you the report, the before after. And our monthly package cost is only $300.
So, like, it's a monthly subscription going forward,
Yeah,
or
I think
or
yes.
weekly. Like, you could pay a week worth of service, or you can pay a month. Is that right? I'm not sure what you're.
Actually, we have two package. One package is weekly package. In this package, we have to optimize your 10 videos in a week. Okay, 10
Okay.
videos
10
in a
videos.
week.
Okay.
Yes, 120. And in monthly package, we have to completely optimize your 30 videos in a month. Okay.
Gotcha. Okay. So you get a deal if you select a month. You save $100, right?
Yeah.
এটা
In
মেনশন করে দেখেন
weekly package 120 and monthly package $300.
ভাই, অলরেডি ভিডিও আপলোড করা আছে আর হলো আপনার আপকামিং ভিডিও দুইটাতে কাজ করা হয়, এটা মেনশন করে দিন, তাহলে সুবিধা হবে।
Sorry, were you talking to me, Arif?
I'm talking to my mentor.
He is saying
Okay.
about your videos. Okay.
Yeah.
I think you can choose the basic package first, and after 1 week, if you see yes, result is coming, and you can choose the basic package first, and after 1 week, if you see yes, result is coming, and you are satisfied with our work, then you can choose the monthly subscription if you satisfied. Okay, and if you don't satisfied with our work, then you can fire us anytime.
Yeah. How do you guys accept payment? Like, you're overseas.
You can pay us by using PayPal or Payoneer.
Okay. Yeah, let me think about it. Because if I understand correctly, like, I don't want to pay monthly, because what if I don't produce videos every week, right? So then, if anything, you accumulate videos and then maybe call you and go, okay, I got 10 videos, go ahead and optimize them, or how do you do it, right?
Yeah, it's possible.
Okay. Well, let me figure it out here. Let me decide and think about it, and I'll get back to you guys.
Yeah, no problem. After finish our meeting, my boy will send you the invoice and include it all. Then you can take a look. Then you can think about this and you can decide. Okay, and you can communicate my boy Arif. And
Okay, that sounds good.
you no need to full payment. You can pay us before work and after work 50%.
Okay.
I think
That's good to know.
will be suitable for you.
Yeah. Okay. And have Arif send me the information, and I will make a decision.
Okay. So thank you so much, Mar, for joining
Yeah,
with
thank
us.
you. You're welcome.
Thank you from Freelancing School, Vedi.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.